iOS 18 has come up with several notable features, and one of my favorite features is the ability to show iPhone lock screen clock in the rainbow colors. So if you want to make the lock screen clock look more fascinating, this all-new feature will appeal to your taste. That's it, let's get started. So first up, you have to trigger the lock screen on your iPhone by pressing the power button, and then you have to long press on your lock screen, and then you have to authenticate using your Face ID or Touch ID. Then you have to tap on the Customize button, and after that choose the lock screen option, and then you have to tap within the frame around the lock screen clock, and after that you have to select the rainbow swatch that appears in the customization panel, and then you have to tap on the wallpaper, and finally you have to tap on the done button in the top right corner of the screen, and you are good to go. So that's how you can easily show iPhone lock screen clock in the rainbow colors in iOS 18 or later. Now that you have unlocked this neat feature, make the most of it to make your iPhone lock screen clock always look fascinating to the eyes. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and enjoy time. Bye bye.